Hello folks, good afternoon. Today we're going to make, or try to make, blackcurrant cordial. I've prepared all the ingredients. We have 300 grams of golden caster sugar, 450 grams of fresh or frozen blackcurrants. We have 300 ml of cold water, the rind of 2 lemons and the juice of 2 lemons. Now first of all, we need to put our cold water into a saucepan on a simmering heat. Just pop that in. And then we're going to add in the 300 grams of golden caster sugar. Put it all in. There we go. So just gently give it a stir until all the sugar dissolves into the water. It's going to take a while because it's on a low heat. So I'm just going to stir this for a few minutes. Okay, so that's the golden caster sugar now just about dissolved in the 300 ml of water. Now I'm going to add the juice and the rind of 2 lemons. So first of all, here's the juice. It's the juice of the 2 lemons. And then I'm going to put the rind in. There we go. And then just gently give it another stir. And we just need to turn the heat up just a little bit. That's it. And just leave that, give it a stir and just leave it just for a couple of minutes until the mixture has completely mixed. Smell of that lemons, I wish you could smell it, it's quite fragrant. And then we're going to add in our part defrosted blackcurrants. So we have the 450 grams of part defrosted blackcurrants. And we're going to put them into the mixture. And then we're just going to give it a quick stir. And then we're going to leave that just until they start going squishy and popping. So we are going to leave this on the heat now just for about 5 minutes. Hello folks, welcome back. We've had the mixture on the stove now for about 4 minutes. So we're nearly there. If you can see, there's just coming up. Let me just take one out and we just need to check it. Just about pressable there. So we'll give that another quick stir and we'll give it about 1 more minute. And then we'll be ready to, just going to get a glass bowl, excuse the top of my head. We have here a metal sieve and a muslin cloth which you can get from some shop somewhere. And I'm just going to place that in there in a minute because we need to get the pips and the skins out. So all the juice goes in there so we can pour it into our sterilised container. It should keep in the fridge for about 30 days. The cooker's just starting to roar now. So I think it's about 5 minutes. We can turn that off now, folks. One last stir. And we'll bring that over to our cloth. And very, very slowly, because this is quite hot now. A little bit at a time, we'll just let that drain through. I'm just going to put this down just a minute. Let me just lift this up so you can see. It's all running through there. And basically, because the black currants are really soft now, you can just squidge them with the back of a spoon in your muslin cloth until we extract all the liquid. Just come out below. The muslin cloth acts as a barrier to protect it. There we go. I don't want to put too much in, so I'm just going to pour this liquid into the container. It will help to allow it to cool. Okay, and then you just repeat the process until it's finished. Okay, and just pour some more in. I have to say, folks, it does smell amazing. It's a bit like sifting flour if you're making a cake, but in this instance, instead of the particles falling through, we got the liquid. And this is a really nice refreshing summer drink. You can just add some ice cubes and a splash of mint. If you have fresh mint growing on your kitchen herb garden, either outside or on the kitchen windowsill, just gives it takes it to the next level. It's still quite hot. I'm just trying to get all the liquid out that I can, passing it through the cloth, which is acting as a filter. And then you just repeat the process until the mixture is finished. Okay, so after the sieving process, this is our blackcurrant cordial with lemon juice and lemon rind. As I said, if you put a cover on it, you keep it in the fridge for about a month, but if you have a big family, it probably won't last that long. So you just pour it like you would do a squash. Put however much you'd like into the bottom of your glass. That will probably do. And this is the pulp that you have left over. If you want to turn it into a compote, you might be able to. Otherwise, you could just dispose of it. So I'm just going to add a little drop of cold water to my blackcurrant cordial. And here we go. Here's the taste test, so I'll let you know how it goes. That's actually very delicious. Cheers and bye for now. Thanks for watching.